Last class we have discussed about a non-systematic cyclic codes, and today we continue the discussion of a systematic cyclic code. Last class all of you have copied this R of x equal to x raised to n minus k into d of x whole divided by g of x. Hope all of you are remembering this equation. Just recall, it is there in your notebook, and once again try to read twice, thrice, so that today's class we are going to use this equation throughout our class. R of x equal to x raised to n minus k into d of x whole divided by g of x. Also, all of you have copied this particular problem in the last class. The generator polynomial of a 7-4 cyclic code is g of x equal to x cube plus x plus 1. Find the code words for all, but we'll do it one by one. We have taken a 1110 using a systematic form. So this much I hope all of you copied in the last class. Now the strength has become now 53. So let us continue today's class. This much we have discussed in the previous class. Hope all of you are having this much of information in your notebook. Let us start now. Write down all of the solution. A 7,4 cyclic code is given. A g of x equal to given x cube plus x plus 1. D of x is given as a 1110. That is nothing but 1 plus x square. X cube term is not there because it is a 0. Write down d of x equal to 1110. It is nothing but in a polynomial form we can write 1 plus x square. We know that. All of you write down R of x equal to x raised to n minus k into d of x whole divided by g of x. I repeat, R of x equal to x raised to n minus k into d of x whole divided by g of x. Now fill the values. X raised to 7 minus 4 x raised to 7 minus 4 into 1 plus x square. You will get a x cube plus x4 plus x raised to 5. Now we have to do x raised to n minus k into d of x whole divided by g of x. Sometimes I may be using a capital D, sometimes a lowercase d, both are same, don't get confused. Now you do it, divide by R of x equal to x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4 plus x cube whole divided by g of x, which is equal to x cube plus x plus 1. Now I want you people to do this division and tell your answer r equal to as well as q equal to in the chat box. All of you know how to divide. In the previous class we have done that only. Multiplication, how to do, division. Using a mod 2, Abhay Bhatt has typed a q equal to x square plus x, r equal to 1. Thank you, Abhay Bhatt. Let me wait for others. Vidya, x square plus x, Devidas, Suhasini, Karthik, and BM, Spurti, Simran, Nivedita, Praveen Patil. Everybody is getting x square plus x. Aditya, Suhasini, Bharat, and Shivani, Charan, Geeta, Nayak, Vijay Lakshmi, Abhay Bhatt, Ajna, Geeta, Jaysurya, Pragati, Vinay, Parameshwara, Preeti, Priya Patil, Vishwa, Abhishek, and Chaitra Kulkarni, Ritika, Shripad, Abhishek Kulkarni, Amrita, all are getting x square plus x. I'm sure most of you are getting same answer, means even Prithviraj got x square plus x, r equal to x. But r equal to, I think Siddharth got x and some people are getting 1. Please check it. Amrita got r equal to 1, whereas Siddharth got r equal to x. Vijay Lakshmi got r equal to x. Shivani got r equal to x. And Amrita M. Abhishek Kulkarni got r equal to 1. So let me, r equal to x. Majority are telling r equal to x. I have given the 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, most of the students, they told, okay, rx. I think r equal to x. I think Prithviraj is telling. Prajakta r equal to x. Okay, majority telling r equal to x. Let me show you the answer. What I got in the r of x, I got x. And q of x, I got x square plus x. I'll wait for a few seconds. Those who have done wrong, let them check it once again. I'll wait for another few seconds so that they can make a correction in their notebook, so that they will understand and next time they will not do the same mistake. All is typed by me only. Typing equation will take a lot of time. I typed everything this year. So let me go to the next. Code word, how we are going to write. So write down the q of x equal to, r of x equal to I got. Actually it is a 3 parity bits. Hence only x is there. 0, 1, x square term is not there, hence 0. Therefore, v equal to r followed by d. It is the opposite what we have discussed in the linear block code. V equal to r followed by d. The r is what? 0, 1, 0. What is the d given? 111, 0. So this is the way how we have to write down the code word. Copy down this so that next problem when you are solving, you can write down without waiting for me to show the answer. I have to write a parity bits followed by a data bits. This is one method. Code V using a r of x. This is one method, and one more method is there. Both the method you can do and cross verify whether the answer you are getting is same in both the cases or not. Let me go to the next. Using a q of x, how we are going to write? Q of x equal to x square plus 1 x, and g of x is x cube plus x plus 1, it is given. R of x equal to 3 parity bit 0, 1, 0. Now what you have to do? You have to write down v of x equal to q of x into g of x. I want all of you to multiply. Write down your answer in the chat box in terms of zeros and ones. Take a 2 minutes. V of x equal to, do a q of x into g of x, and you'll get a polynomial. Convert that polynomial into zeros and ones. Type that answer in the chat box. Q of x, x square plus x, g of x equal to x cube plus x plus 1. Multiply a q of x and g of x, x square plus x into x cube plus x plus 1, and simply write down the polynomial. Geeta has typed 010111. Praveen, Bharat, Shivani Kulkarni. Answers are little different. Praveen answer, Shivani, Abhishek, Devidas. Answers are changing. A number of bits, they are not fixed, they are changing. Please remember the number of bits should be in the code word. It's a 7, 4. So some people they are not writing the last zero. Some people are writing. Yeah, almost result is same. Everybody is typing. They know the same answer. Amrita, Vishal, Bispurti, Vishwa, Nayak, Saujanya, Pragati, Vijayalakshmi. All are typing the same answer now. Vidya, Saimantan, Siddharth, Karthik, and most of the students now they are including that zero they are typing. What I got, let me show you. 010, 111, 0. Most beginning some students they typed 010, 111. Again Shilpa is typing the same thing. Shilpa, remember the total number of bits in this case it is 7, hence you have to include zeros. Okay, hope most of you got the same answer. And let me go to the next. Jay Surya has got the same answer. Let me go to the next slide. Now, this you compare with the previous result. The answer should remain same. There also you got 010, 111, 0. Using R of x, also you should get the same thing. Now let me go to the next. The generated polynomial of 74 cyclic code. We take the same example. The g of x equal to x cube plus x plus 1. Only we'll change the data. 1100. G of x is same. Only the d of x is given. Now I have to find out a code word. Follow the same procedure. Solution 7,4 cyclic code. G of x is given. X cube plus x plus 1. D of x is given. 1100. Write down 1 plus x, find R of x, Q of x, follow the same procedure. All of us know x raised to n minus k into d of x whole divided by g of x. Let us first write down x raised to n minus k into d of x. It will become x cube plus x4, what I got. You can also try. If your answers are different, let me know from you. I will also change my answer. If majority are getting the same answer, then it should be correct. Then next step, what I have to do? X raised to n minus k into d of x whole divided by g of x. So now I have to divide it by g of x. G of x is given as x cube plus x plus 1. Write down and share your answer Q as well as R in the chat box. I want all of you to type the answer. X plus 1, x square plus 1, Devidas Nayak, Abhishek Kulkarni, x plus 1, x square plus 1, okay, good. And write down the code word. Next you can go to the code word. Aditya Hiremet, Q equal to x plus 1. Okay, most of them they are getting the same answer. Praveen, Janavi, Abhay, Vishwa, Vijayalakshmi, Charan, Ankita, Suhasini, Shivani, Nivedita, Geeta, x square plus 1 and x plus 1. Saujanya, Preeti, Vidya, Jay Surya, Parameshwara Hegde, Chaitra Kulkarni, Sai Manthan is getting the same answer. Prithviraj is there. Vishal, Priya Patil, Rohit Savalgi, Amrita H, Abhirup Joshi, Shivani Adhaldi got same answer. And I also got x plus 1 and I got Siddharth, Prajakta, Rohan, Vidya, Geeta, Gaura, Haveri. And Devraj, Yamnur also got the same answer. Now I want you people to write down the code words. Use a R of x, okay. Chaitra wrote 0101100. Praveen also wrote the same answer. Shruti has shared that Q of x, R of x. Spurti got the code. Shilpa, Samrani, Simran, Shripad, Ankita, Nivedita, Bharat, Charan, Vinay, Vidya, Vishwa, Abhishek, Shivani, Ajna, Jaisurya. Most of the students, they are getting the same answer. Preeti, Rohan, Vishal, Prithviraj is there. Tajuddin, Geeta, Gali, Gaura, Priya Patil, Monica is there. Pragati, Harsha, Sanjeev, and Prithviraj is there. Okay. Hardik Rai. Whenever I tell somebody's name, please type yes. And Rohit Savalgi has typed the answer. And I too got the same answer. Okay, thank you. Haivadan is there. Good. And Vidya Kalkeri is there. 10111100. Now I want you people to use Q of x and multiply Q of x into G of x and get the code. Type that answer in the chat box. Shahasan Makanda got the same answer 10111100. Now using a Q of x, we'll see. Simran got as 10111100. Shivani, Devidas Nayak, Abhishek Kulkarni, Geeta Gali, Bharat, they also got a same answer now using a Q of x. Abhay Bhatt is typing exclusively, it is Q of x are using. Thank you. Vijay Lakshmi Belavenki has got the same answer. Prithviraj Mallikarjun Patil has got the same answer. Siddharth Lucky got a 101100. Charan, Ajna, Devraj, Shruti, Nayak, Preeti, all are getting the same answer. And Nutan Vadgate, okay, he has typed now. Pragati, Gaura Haveri, all are getting the same answer. 10111100. Yes, I too got the same answer. And whatever the answer you got is correct. And let me go to the next. Jay Surya got the same answer. Amrita H, Shilpa S got the same answer. And now let us go to the next. Take an example. The generated polynomial, let us take same x cube plus x plus 1. D of x you take 1010. Find out the q of x, r of x. Find the code word using r of x and write the code word using the q of x. Same procedure. You can do it for all the 16 combination, but if you do it for 3, I hope you can do it for the remaining, because procedure will remain same. Write down the solution. 7,4 cyclic code. G of x equal to x cube plus x plus 1. G of x equal to 1010 given. In the polynomial form, it becomes a 1 plus x square. You have to find out r of x. X raised to n minus k t s into d of x. It will become x cube plus x5. And next I have to write down divided by g of x. It becomes x raised to 5 plus x cube divided by x cube plus x plus 1. So you can type QR or you can type code directly. And today's class strength is more, 63 students are there. Happy to see a good strength. Chaitra has typed, and Abhishek, Kulkarni, Simran, Shripad, and most of them they are getting the same. Nayak, Lohit, Jahnavi, all are getting x square, both. We'll wait for a few more seconds and we'll see. There may be internet problem. I may reconnect if it disconnects. Okay, give me a few seconds. Hope the screen is visible to you. Now I am presenting again. Okay, now you can try to check whether the screen is visible or not. I think video let me switch off, and hope now it is visible to you people. So let me continue. The screen is visible to you, and I could able to see your answers. Okay, let me go to the next. Answers were correct, and what I got answer is x square. It is correct, and code word will be correct because all of you got the same q of x, r of x. 001 1011. There was an internet problem. I connected my mobile again now. Now it is working fine. So let me go to the using a q of x also. I got same answer. Hope all of you have done the same thing and got the same answer. So let me go to the next. Copy down. The generator polynomial for a 15,7 cyclic code g of x equal to 1 plus x raised to 4 plus x raised to 6 plus x raised to 7 plus x raised to 8. I read it once again. The generator polynomial for 15,7 cyclic code g of x equal to 1 plus x raised to 4 plus x raised to 6 plus x raised to 7 plus x raised to 8. Find a systematic code vector for a message polynomial x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4. Find a systematic code vector. Even if they do not mention systematic, by default it is a systematic. Even sometimes they say find a code vector for a message, means by default it is a systematic. Given is x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4. Follow the same procedure. Write down the solution. N comma k 15,7 n equal to 15, k equal to 7. All of us know that r of x equal to x raised to n minus k into d of x whole divided by g of x. Fill the values and find out r of x. All of you know r of x equal to x raised to n minus k into d of x divided by g of x. Fill n minus k is x raised to 8. D of x is given x square plus x cube plus x4 whole divided by 1 plus x raised to 4, x raised to 6, x raised to 7 plus x raised to 8. Multiply so that you will get a answer x raised to 10 plus x raised to 11 plus x raised to 12 divided by 1 plus x raised to 4, 6, 7, 8. Then you rewrite with a higher polynomial, higher degree first, and you can do the division. And you can share q of x and r of x in the chat box. Q, Shripad has told x4 plus 1. Thank you, Shripad. Let me check with the other students. x4 plus 1 Abhay Bhatt is telling, and r of x is saying x raised to 7 plus x raised to 6 plus 1. Shripad plus 1 is missing, x raised to 7 plus x raised to 6 he is telling. But Abhishek Kulkarni, q equal to x raised to 4 plus 1. We'll wait for other students. Janavi has typed 7614 plus 1. Okay. It matches with Abhay and other students. And Nivedita, Charan, Abhishek Kulkarni has got same answer. Vijay Lakshmi 41. x4 plus 1. Vidya Kalkeri, all are getting q equal to x4 plus 1. And Spurti got same. Vinay Giriyaminava Vishwa got same answer. Vishal Onkar got same answer. Amrita Preeti Menakatimut is there. Okay. Vidya Kalkeri got same answer. Ritika, Rohan, Prajakta, x4 plus 1 everybody is getting. Jay Surya got same answer. Bharat Kulkarni, Shivani, Priya Patil has got a same answer. x4 plus 1. Amrita Haman never got same answer. x4 plus 1. Praveen Patil. x4 plus 1. x raised to 7. x raised to 6 plus 1. I hope most of the students are getting the same answer. Priya Patil, Geeta Gali, Adnya and Pragati Gaonkar got the same answer. Rohan got x raised to 7, 6. Okay, it is also same. Abhirup got same answer. And Nayak Lohit got the same answer. Let me wait for a few more seconds. Shilpa got same answer. Some students, they are not at all typing. That shows they are offline. They are not. So Janya got same answer. Shahasan got same answer. 761. Rohit, Prithviraj is typing. And Harsha and Ankita Shetty getting same answer. Some students are not at all typing. Monika, I think she's not getting answer. Karthik Gangir, x4 plus 1. Devaraj got x4 plus 1. Sanjeev Indur got. Nutan Vadgeri got x4 plus 1. Good. Prajakta x raised to 7, 6, 1. Okay. Karthik Gangir got same answer. Let us go to the next. Sohashini Mishri Koti got same answer. I got x4 plus 1. 1 plus x raised to 6 plus x raised to 7. Now write down the code word, all of you. All of us know how to write a code word. R followed by D. All of you write down the code word in your notebook. R followed by D. Thank you, Vidya. And using a Q of X, you try to write down and find out. Shivani Adhali is typing answer. Abhishek, Shripad, Suhasini Mishri Koti has typed the answer. Adnya Nayak got the answer. 1100 last. Okay, correct. And use a Q of X and multiply. Nivedita, Bharat Kulkarni, Preeti, Shivani, Priya, Simran, Geeta, Spurti, Jaysurya, Rohit, Vishwa, Shilpa, Abhay Bhatt, Shahasan, all are getting same answer. Ritika and Praveen Patil got the same answer. Good. Prajakta and Amrita H. Sanjeev Indur got same answer. And Vinay Giremnavar, Vishal Onkar got same answer. Deviraj Yamanut, Saujanya, Siddharth Liki. Prithviraj is there. Monica is there. Some names I will call next class onwards. I will bring a name list. I will ask, are you there or not? You can just say yes. Thank you, Prithviraj. Chandrakala got answer. Karthik Gangir got answer. And those are completed, they can go for example 8. You can find out a code word and you can type 1001. Those are completed this. They can go to the next example. I'll let them complete that. Let them find out R of X. Let them find out a code V of X. Let them type the answer. Amrita M. Got same answer. I think somebody is there, Rahul Raj, in this class. Some name, Raj is there, Rahul Raj. Rahul Raj is there in this class? Somebody? Don't know. Anyway, next class I will bring the name list and I will come with the names. Harshita has typed. I think she may be typing first time now, today. Good. She got the same answer. Let me wait for example 8 answers also. Those are completed. And those are doing this, you can continue. Nutan Vadgeri got same answer. Okay, Rahul Raj. A poor connection. Yeah, Rahul Raj. After the class also, I tried to talk to some Raj, maybe Rahul Raj, 2 days, 2-3 times. He didn't respond right. After the class, his presence was there. Anyway, if it repeats, then I may have to take it seriously. Okay, anybody got an answer for this? I think Abhishek has typed, Devidas has typed, and Karthik, Shripa, Simran, Pragati, all are getting the same answer. Charan got x square. Yeah, I think x cube plus x, x square plus x. Okay, x cube plus x square plus x. Nivedita, Janvi, Abhay, Chaitra, and Preeti, Praveen, Prajakta, all are getting the same answer almost. Let me show my answer also. I got x cube plus x. I think Geeta typed only x cube and x square plus x. And Geeta has typed only x4. I don't know. x4 will not get. Prajakta, Simran has typed code only. Vinay Giriaminavar, okay, x cube plus x square plus x is correct. So Asani, Siddharth is typing, Adnya, Jaisurya, Ankita, Priya Patil. And now you just find out a code words using a q of x and as well as r of x. Charan, Praveen Patil has typed the code, Janvi has typed, Virup, Joshi. Charan, Shilpa is typing the q of x, r of x. Nivedita, Nayak Lohit, Harsha, Ritika. And let me copy the content of your chart. Sometimes it will disconnect, which is I may lose all the information. A lot of chatting information I lost because connection I lost, hence the chat information I lost. Let me go to the Mallikarjun Patil. All are getting the same answer. Satvik Yen. Somebody has typed after a long gap. So Janya, Aditya Hiremat, and C. I also got a 011 and 1001. The same answer. Pragati, Shahasan Makanda, Gaura Haveri, Sanjay Vindur. Most of the students, Devidas, Rohit, Savalgi, got same answer. And using Q of X also you have to do it. And these are the, you will get the same answer using Q of X and G of X also you will get the same answer, a code word. And these are the code word for your reference. You can copy down few code words, and whenever you are free, taking a message, you try to find out a code word, you should match with this. You can write down also even for using an encoder and decoder. You can make use of this table. Take a minute, and few you have already done it. A few you can copy down so that table will be with you. Whenever we want, you can refer this table. As Purti got a 011 1001. Copy down code words. No need of message because last 4 bits will be the message. So simply copy down the code words. Beginning 3 bits will be the parity bits, and other 4 bits will be the data bits. I'll wait for a few more seconds so that those who are not yet copied the code words, let them copy so that you can make use of this some code words during our encoding process or during our decoding process. At least this same example I have used throughout the chapter in the textbook also. The reason is it's very easy to cross verify all the code words. Another few seconds, then we'll go to the next. Encoding using n-k bit shift registers. How to do it? Copy down this. These are the symbols we are going to make use during our encoding diagram. First one is R represents flip-flops that make up a shift register. Whenever we say plus, it is a mod 2 adder. GI is a closed path if GI equal to 1 and open if GI equal to 0. Gate means by default in this chapter is the AND gate only. Gate means it's the AND gate only. All these symbols you copy down and try to remember. I'll wait for another few seconds. I want you people to copy down neatly the symbols. Try to use a pencil. Have a habit of maintaining neat notes. Let me go to the next slide. This is the encoding using n-k bit register. Anyway, we are going to use diagrams for encoding. Just spend a minute. Otherwise, if you want, you can copy down, but I'll give a 1 to 2 minutes maximum. Anyway, with example, we are going to discuss it as a general format. Even if you do not copy, also no problem. But understand, just see it a few times. See the connection. GI is closed if GI equal to 1, else it will be open. I mean to say this particular. Anyway, we are going to discuss with example. That time it will be more clear. It is general format. I take a snapshot and keep with you. And this will be more clear when we discuss some particular examples. Now we have taken in general R n-k minus 1. We will take the same example, whatever we have discussed so far. For that, we will try to write a encoding diagram. Let me go to the encoding diagram. Copy down this problem statement. Design an encoder for the 7-4 binary cyclic code. Design a encoder for 7-4 binary cyclic code generated by g of x equal to generated by g of x equal to 1 plus x cube and verify its operation g of x equal to 1 plus x cube and verify its operation using a message vectors 1001 1001 and 1011. All these code words are there with you. Even after doing operation, maybe encoding or decoding, you can cross verify. Hope all of you have copied. And let me go to the next slide. G of x is saying 1 plus x cube, 74 code. And he's asking us to encode using an encoder. 1001 is the data, 1011 is the data. Let us go to the next. Write down solution. A given is g of x equal to 1 plus x cube. And by seeing the polynomial, I can write down g naught equal to 1, g1 equal to 1, g2 is not there, x square term is not there, hence g2 equal to 0, g3 equal to 1. Or comparing with the coefficients with the general format, I can write g0, g1, g2, g3. By observing this also, I can write g0, g1, g2, g3. With these values, the circuit reduces to, I'll give another 30 seconds. I want you to copy down this. G0 equal to 1. Because first term will be there, always remember g0 term will be there always. Then depending upon these polynomials degree you can decide 1 or 0. X is there, x square is not there, x cube is there. Usually first and last will be there. For all the examples, first and last will be there. That one important point you have to remember. Then you have to draw the diagram. Now this diagram you have to copy down. And we are going to use this diagram many times in this chapter. I'll wait for another few seconds and I'll go to the next slide. This is a diagram. G0 equal to 1, G1 equal to 1, G2 is 0, hence there is no connection. G3 is always 1. So copy down this R0, R1, R2. As it is, you copy down. If you feel any difficulty, you can ask. You can type your question in the chat box, and if somebody want to answer, you can answer there only in the chat box. Otherwise, I'll try. Are you there, Rahul Raj? You can say just yes. I'll be happy. Okay, thank you. This side we are going to give the inputs, zeros and one combination, and beginning this is like a rotary switch. I am connecting beginning to this 1 position. Later I'll connect to the 2 position, so that I'll get a parity bits. Beginning I'll get a data bits. So copy down this. Then for a given input, we'll try to find out a parity bits. And try to maintain the neat notes. Okay, Rahul Raj, 2-3 days I have a snapshot, I'll share with you. I was asking you, are you there, are you there? I didn't get any response from you. But anyway, there may be a reason from your side also. I won't say you did it mistake, but at my side also you can think. When I'm asking somebody's name continuously, if they are not responding, they're active, they're live, but Not answering means it gives a different meaning to me. There may be network issue. That is a different issue. Now let us continue our discussion. Let us take one simplest example. 1001. 1001. I am giving the input. Now I have to find out R0, R1, R2. There are two methods are there. Whichever you feel comfortable, you can follow that, you can use that. Now what we do, like a shift register, what you have studied in your digital circuit, we'll use that concept and we'll discuss in the beginning. Please keep your mind on the slide for a 2 minutes, 3 minutes, you will understand. See here, we assume content of R0 is 0, R1 is 0, R2 is 0 initially. These are all initially, all are 0. 1001 I am giving. So beginning 1 I am giving. When I give the 1, I will give the clock pulse, like a shift register it is. When I give the clock pulse, this is 0. Observe here. This is 1. What will the output of this mod to adder? MA means mod to adder. Now output of this will be what? 0 and 1 is a input to this mod to adder. Output of this will be 0 or 1. When I using mod 2, 0 and 1 is the input. What is the output? 1. So this 1 I will get here. Are you getting? Observe carefully. When I get this one, and it is an AND gate, and this enable is high. When this is high, and this whatever I am giving, the same thing will come here. Now this is high, I am giving this as a high, output of the AND gate will be high, hence I will get a 1. Observe carefully. And this one will come here also, this one will come here as a R0. Therefore, R0 becomes how much? Remember, all will happen at a time. I am explaining step by step, but it will happen at a time. When I use a 0 and 1 as an input, this will become 1, the 1 will come here and R0 will become equal to 1. So therefore, I will write R0 equal to 1. Now, what might be the R1? R1, now I have this 1 in the feedback. Previous value of R0 was 0 and this is 1. So mod to addition, that will become a R1. How much will be the R1 now? Previous value of R0 and present output of the gate, it will become 0. Everybody is telling, please concentrate here. Previous value I have to take, because this one has come here and this one has come, but it has not stored. So previous value is 0, present this input is 1, 0 plus 1, R1 will become 1. Try to understand. That's why I am telling you, concentrate on the slide, try to understand. Anyway, we will spend a little more time. Next, what might be the R2? R2 will become previous R1. R2 will become how much now? Previous R1. It is a shift register. I cannot explain R0, R1, R2 at a time. One by one I have to take. So R2 will become equal to previous R1. Hence R2 will become equal to 0. So therefore, I got 1, 1, 0. After the first bit is over. Now let me take a second bit. Now the present value what I have is a 1, 1, 0. Observe it carefully. Initially it was 0, 0, 0. Now it has become 1, 1, 0. Now input I am giving 0. What is the output of the mod to adder? 0 plus 0. Mod to adder output will be what? 0. Yes. So this 0 will come. Okay, I am going back. I should go next 1 minute. Okay, this 0 has come here. The same 0 will come to here. Observe carefully. Now, can you tell what is the R0 value? R0 will become equal to how much? Can you type R0 equal to 0? Good. What might be the R1? What might be the R1? Okay, many are typing 0. Bharat, you type R1 equal to 1, R0 equal to 1, something like that. Shripad is typing 1, Shahasana is typing 0. For what? 0 and 1. Type R0 or R1 equal to. Very good. R1 equal to 1. Chaitra, Praveen, Bharat, all are telling R1 equal to 1. Very good. Prithviraj is typing R1 equal to 1. Vidya and Geeta, Vishwa, Prajakta, Deviraj, Ritika. Good. And now R2 equal to how much? Nutan, Vadgeri, Siddharth has typed all the answers 0, 1, 1 something. And R2 equal to 1, Suhasini, Mishri Koti is typing. Yeah. Let me show you the answers. So this will become 0. Those who are having still doubts, they can observe. And now present is 0, previous 1. Present is 0 this, previous 1. Therefore, R1 will become equal to 1. Next, R2 will become a previous R1. Hence, this will become equal to 1. So, please try to understand. Now, I'll pause here. I'll give the time. I want you people to type a third row. What will be the third row? Something. You can type a combination of zeros and ones after your analysis. So that time, again, the present value will become 0, 1, 1. Again, input is 0. 1 plus 0. I'll get a mod to adder output as a 1. The same one will come back to the R0. 1 plus 0 will become R1. And previous R1 will become R2. Even without a diagram also, once if you remember that logic, you can write the answer. Vidya is typing all 1. We will see. Abhishek, Suhasini, Ankita is typed 1. Devidas, Abhay, Karthik, Rohan, Simran, Ajna, Praveen. All are typing 1, 1, 1. Means they are getting idea. Shripati T, Rohit, Chaitra Kulkarni, BM Spurti has got all 1. Let me show you the answer. Ritika got same answer. And this is 1, 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 this is 1. Very good. Most of you got same answer. I want a fourth answer from you people. Fourth row will become what? Abhishek and Abhay Bhatt, Swasini 011 they are typing. And Nivedita is typing 011. Shripad, Ankita, Charan, Simran, Praveen, Geeta 011 they are typing. Devidas Nayak has got 011. And Vishal Onkar, Karthik Gangir, Monica has typed. Very good. And Shiva, oh, after a long time. Aditya, Nayak Lohit has typed 011. Vijay Lakshmi has typed 011. Chaitra 011. Preeti 011. Rohan. Amrita Yach got 011. Mallikarjun Patil got 011. Good. And Saujanya Shilpa got a 011. Let me show you the answer what I got. I too got 0, 0. This becomes 0. This becomes Amrita Yam Shilpa Samrani got a 0, 1, 1. I too got the same answer 0, 1, 1. I hope most of you are getting same answer. Vinay Giriam never got same. Anuthan Vadgeri got same answer. And let me go to the next. I think 1001. So 1001. I think previous what we took 1001. Okay. Now this is I don't know if it works or not. Okay. These two will be added. The result will go back to the R0. This is the concept I wanted to explain. Observe this. I am using the equations. R0 equal to R2 plus input. This I simulated just now. R0 equal to R2. We can observe once again if you want. Now R0 will become what? R2 plus input. And this will go to R0. So this is the equation I am writing for R0 equal to. Similarly, R1 equal to what? R0, this is same feedback what I am getting, plus previous R0. And R2 equal to what? R1. So these three equations, all of you copy down and try to understand. Using this equation also you can write down the combination of zeros and ones what you get, or using the circuit also. Both if you understand well and good. Compared to circuit, this will become very fast. R0 equal to R2 plus input, R1 equal to R0 plus same thing, R2 plus input, and R2 equal to R1. These are all previous resistor content. Input means present, resistor means previous. This side present resistor equal to previous resistor, this is a present input. Copy down these three equations. We'll using these three equations try to write down the table. Hope okay, let me give you the 1 minute and you can copy down the equations. Then we'll try to conclude the class after 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes. Anyway, you'll get a break of 30 minutes. Okay. Now observe this. Another 2 slides will wind up. What I do actually here, I add this. Which one? Present. Observe here. R2 plus input means R2 previous I will take, present input I will take, I will add it. Similarly here what I do? Whenever resistor comes, R0 means previous R0, previous R2, input means present. This is one important point which you have to remember. Whenever resistors comes after equal to, those are all previous. And left side of a equal to, it is a present resistor content will become. Last one, what is this? R2 equal to R1. A previous R1 will be assigned to the R2. This is one important point which you have to remember. And answer what I got is 0, 1, 1, and this 0, 1, 1 I will apply additional clock pulse so that 0, 1, 1 will come out and that will become a parity bits. So copy down, this is a way position will be switched to the say second so that I will get parity bits. 0, 1, 1 will be the parity. Code will become 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. You can refer that in the table. Such code word may be there, and we'll take a few more example in the next class and we'll continue our discussion. Okay, this we'll try to conclude now. Thanks for attending the class. Take care, be active, be safe. See you in the next class. Thank you. I'll be here for another 5 minutes. If you have any doubts, you are most welcome. You can ask your doubts.